Hi. So whenever you have an equation and you want to create a table of values for it, what you want to do is you want to set up this t-chart. It's called a table of values. And then from there, you want to pick values for x. So you can use any values you want. I'm going to try to go with easy numbers. So how about 0, 1, 2, and 3? You should always pick a few points. That way it'll give you a nice kind of idea of what the graph looks like. So from there, we know what our x values are. We need to figure out what our y values are, and that would come from actually replacing the x with those values. So the y value would be 4 times 0 and then minus 3. So that would be 0 minus 3, which is equal to a negative 3. And then 4 times 1 minus 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. And then 4 times 2 minus 3. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 minus 3 is 5. And then the last one here is 4 times 3 minus 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, and what this does is it gives you coordinate points. So your coordinate points always x first, and then y. So that would be, I would have point 0, comma, negative 3 would be 1 point. And then my next point would be at 1, comma, 1. And then 2, comma, 5. And then 3, comma, 9. So now what we can do is we can use those points and actually put them on a grid. And so if I actually plot those points, I can start with 0, comma, negative 3. That's going to go right about there. And then 1, comma, 1 is here. And then 2, comma, 5 is right here. And 3, comma, 9 is right up there. And I can see now that these points will create a straight line. So I'm going to try to draw a straight line through it. Let's see if we can get this to work out. There we go. It's looking pretty good. And then our last step, of course, is to go ahead and we put arrows on either end, because even though we picked the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, we could have picked any number. So the arrows on the end show that this could continue on forever in either direction. Hope that helps.